Okay. Hey, what's up, guys? It is Survivor back again with another episode of Sons of the Forest. Um, where we last left off, or I mean, I did record a little bit before, between this episode and the last episode. I'm still thinking if I want to include it because it really was just me walking around in circles, just in the house, because I couldn't figure out what to do. And that's when I decided to just say screw it and just I'll start up when we hit the residential bunker, which is what I want to do today. So I want to make sure I'm geared up for that. So got to make sure we have decent amounts of foods on me. Probably take cooked meat, not cooked meat, dried meat. We want to take some creepy armor, that's for sure. How much creepy armor do we have on me right now? 10? We should, honestly, I should probably try to take some to rare. Okay, we're gonna do that in a second. We should honestly probably also take some rope with, what was that? Yep, I was gonna say, what the heck was that? Can I hit you? My meat's gonna burn. Uh-oh. Okay. My meat. Get away. I think it's burnt. Yeah, it's definitely burnt by now. Yeah, burnt me. Damn it. Whatever. I think if I eat it, I get sick, so I'm not gonna eat it. I'm gonna just drop it. Is that it? I can't even drop it. I just gotta choke it down. Okay, whatever. Whatever. That's annoying. You see that, right? You see what that is? Wait, I can't even pick the. Yeah, I was gonna say I can't even pick it up because I have full. I need that bunny. Where'd the armor go? Oh, you're kidding. I lost it, and this. Whatever. About to restart. I'm gonna just restart for that creepy armor. That bunny. I need that bunny over here. I gotta like coax it back over here somehow. I gotta like coax it back. To the cage, bunny, to the cage. No, don't go to the trap, don't go to the trap. Come on, to the cage, go to the cage. Come on. I know, I got you. Come on. Into the cage. Where are you going? Right there. Come on, into the cage. Where? What? Oh, you're so annoying. There's two bunnies! Ugh, whatever. Annoying. Whatever. That's not... You guys can't walk into the traps? That's so frustrating, dude. Whatever. Screw off. I'm mad about this dang creepy armor too, whatever. Okay, so let's wear full creepy. Let's take actually the dried meat. Okay, and they're just munching on all the dried meat I had. Alright, I guess. Two dried fish. It should be a decent amount of dried meat to eat and use. Let's drink some energy drinks. I know I have them here. I'd rather drink these for now. Decent amount of meat. Let's take some steak bites. Take some pills. E. How many more? How many can I carry? I think I can only carry 6 out of. I think that's up max. Yeah. We'll take rope as well. And let's take as many as this. So we have. What do we have? 7. We should carry just 5 on retain. Yeah, 5 on retainer should be fine. Already finding these things I should also grab. I really forgot that these things exist as well. Do I have physical batteries? Seems not. Oh, I do. Okay. We should have some grenades on me to use, right? Where are the nades? They're up here, aren't they? 4, 3? We could carry more. Where's the chocolate bar? Whatever. Because I don't know what to expect in this bunker thingy-majiggy. We're gonna find out when we get there, when we get like exploded to bits or something. What was I gonna do here? Right, a nade. And where is Kelvin? Kelvin anywhere here? The dang bunny is just taunting me. Whatever. Do I have sticks on me? Because I definitely gotta take sticks on me in case I need to craft something. 16, that's good enough. Where's Kelvin? Am I tripping out or something? Is he not in here? There you are, Kelvin. Kelvin, you maintain base. Make sure everything is good and dandy and nothing explodes while I'm gone. And we will be taking a trip. Oh yeah, let me save actually before I leave and fend off my existence. Save. And then make sure I'm recording. I am recording. Perfect. We are off. We have to head which way? What the heck? Oh. North, so we have to head the other way. Okay. We're gonna have to go around. We can't jump over that. 6 is this thing, right? Yeah, okay. Good. So we're gonna have to take a long way around. While we take this trip, I will be reading on my phone. I don't think, actually, could we make it through there? No, it's not risky. I'll just go a long way around. Actually, maybe we could. No, we can't. No, we probably could have, whatever. It probably might be better just to cut in through the mountain instead of having to go all the way completely around. Is that a helicopter? This one is a helicopter. Yeah, let's cut around. We're gonna lose distance anyways if we go down. I mean, cut there, not cut around. Sorry. No. Okay. Well, let me remember my keybinds for a second. So that's 3. This is 4. 5 is a torch, right? 6 is this. 7 is glider, is night vision. 8 is flashlight. Perfect. Can I not put? Okay, whatever. Okay, so yeah, we are going to be going to the residential bunker, which is that bed over there. So hopefully it shouldn't be too bad, I hope. I'm hoping it's going to be a calm, nice little trip where death is nowhere to be found. At least on our part. Anything that comes in our way is going to die. That's for a fact. But on our side, we shall not die, as we will survive, one way or another. And I think I could glide from here. It's turning night, which is good, meaning we won't be in there. We'll be inside wherever we're going. Jump. Perfect. Okay. So we're gonna cut around this and then go left. Too bad. Is that a camp right there? That is a camp, okay. Probably should take one day to explore the rest of this other area, because we barely touched this area. Or we kinda did actually, did we? I don't even remember. Let me fix my mouse pad, because this thing is like... I don't know if you guys, for the people who have computers and use mouse pads, I mean, of course people who use mouse pads, but if you have a mouse pad, does it ever slide over? Because I have my mouse pad at the edge of my desk, because I have a really small, it's not even a desk, like a PC desk or whatever, it's literally just a normal school desk. It's not a school desk. It's like, it's just a desk. Nothing special with it. There's not a lot of space. I'd say it's around 3 feet long, maybe 2. No, I think it's like 2 feet, like long. Not long, wide, I guess? Depth? What's that? There's a question mark here. Either way, it's not too big. It's enough for a PC and like, you know, a stand, but like I have like my keyboard and my mouse like near the edge. For comfortability, I could push it up a little bit, but either way, it's not that much space to work with. Okay, so there should be a trail I could follow through here. Okay, I see the trail. I'm gonna land then. Yippee! Oh! Helicopter. A moose. What are these? Oh, I thought I heard them. I'm sorry. Whoa. Camouflage suit. Rock. What's that? Oh yeah, I knew I saw something. I was about to say, like, I saw something like pink in the distance. Can we just go inside? Because I'm not trying to be stuck out here with these things. Oh, prepare myself for the bat screech. I hate the bat screech. Even in the first game, it was so loud for no reason. Darkness. So today we are going into the residential bunker and hopefully making it out in a fine little bit. Oh my goodness. Hopefully I can save in here. I can, perfect. So I want to say prefaces. I think I said it in one of the episodes before, but you gotta remember I haven't recorded an episode in a few months. This is beyond where I've been when I first played this with some friends a bit ago. Can I destroy this? So as I was saying, this is beyond where I've been before. So everything beyond this point is completely new to me. Is that a gunshot? Good way to pull out. Guess I'm going that way. I just heard a baby. gunshots, and I don't know what that is from. It's not for me, that's for sure. I'm ready to bust a cap in someone though. I'm more than ready to do it. Little baby, blam. Uh-oh. What? Why am I on the floor? Get up, dog, get up!
Down, son!
What? Who shot him?
Little Mutant Tim, all grown up.
What? What? What was that? Okay, I'm so confused. Cause I mean they killed it, but like I'm at a loss. The Roomba. Oh, I didn't even read all this. Yeah. I heard of fingers.
Welcome, valued guests. We hope your stay is comfortable. Please contact the facility manager if you require any further amenities or services.
Okay.
尊敬的客人，
What was that?
欢迎光临。我们希望您的住宿愉快。如需更多设施或服务，请联系设施经理。
We're not completely dinged that in here. Book, creating an empire. So I think we could read this here. Can I put this book down, please? Jeez. Zoom. Hank, this is a book. This is the book I told you about. Mostly accurate. I got some for all the residents. Ed, outstanding. I should make Molotovs if I can. Oh, I already have Molotovs maxed out. Okay. Flashlight. Pills, I'll take that. Focalite. Energy bar, let's eat that. Can I make do I have anything to make bar? I already have max. Okay, perfect. It's good, it's gonna be good. I like knowing I'm more than prepared for this area. Wait, the door closed? Oh, never mind. Okay, I know I heard this dude somewhere. Oh, I hear that thing. Where'd this thing go? I'm like watching behind me. Ooh. Kill this baby. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Damn it. You gotta give me like an upgraded spear. I'd love an upgraded spear. 1, 2. Okay, perfect. I should be able to carve this thing. Yeah, I hear those things up there now. It's like worrying me. I know how fast those things could get over here. And I hear the shuffling. That's what bothers me more, is I hear shuffling. So like every shuffle, like time I hear something, I'm like getting worried it's gonna pop up behind me. Hank, good news. We've managed to find both the clubs and the golf balls. We want to thank you for all the help. If you're ever out on the links, let's whack a few balls around. Outstanding. What's that? Oh, a putter. Nice. New weapon. Ooh, can I make anything? Do I need to make anything? Not really. This is not good though. We're getting into big bad monster territory now. Oh, that shit scared me. Below me, I think. I'm not gonna go up here, but we'll check anyways. Yeah, we can. Rocks. Oh, goodness. Oh, snap. Oh, shh. Oh, it's a spotted dude, too.
Welcome back.
Oh, you're kidding. Oh, I can't see. Reload. Get closer. Get shotted. I self-lighted this armor. I'm gonna use my self-light shotgun. I don't care. Spent good money and effort making this shotgun. Oh my god, it sounds like there's so many down there. Okay. Jeez, dude.
Welcome back.
Gotta reload. Oh, snap. Switch to the spear. There's one. Oh, snap. Okay, we gotta plan this out. Reload. Woo. Oh my goodness. Where'd you go? Oh, you ran away. Okay, shotgun time. Okay, you're gone. I could axe you down. Axed. Damn it. Okay. Want my other crossbow, please? Oh yeah, I gotta reload my crossbow. Reload.
Welcome back again.
Okay. How much creepy armor? I need 2 pieces, so I could put on 2 more, right? Okay, I can carve this. I think you give 2, as far as I know. These guys give 2. Yep, they do. It's probably a bad idea to carve this dude right in front of them, but oh well. Can I hurt this dude through the thing? This might be a little cheap. Oh, okay. That's not good. Out of stamina. Come on. Outstanding. Let's check my armor. I'm at 9, so you're gonna give me my 10.
Welcome back again. We hope you please contact the facility manager if you require.
I could just put on the extra 2 pieces of armor, why not? Let's reload all my weapons, actually. Actually, now I think about it, let's go to slugs. Oh, wait. Oh, we were at buckshot, slugs that whole time? Oh, no wonder I missed half those shots. Okay, that makes sense. I'm gonna step back to slug then. Slug is where it's at. I could also use my rifle, actually. That might be a better idea to use. Okay. Let's clear down here first. Okay. So top 4 and above are clear. Let's save. I guess we could save right here, real quickly.
Please contact the facility manager if you require any further assistance or services.
Sticks. Ka-chunk. Okay. Save, yes. We'll keep that here, just in case. Okay, nothing. Anything to collect? What's this? Doris, Ed's having dreams about the Gold City again. I don't know what to do. Ooh. Sketchy. Let's see. Money. Outstanding. I love slug ammo. Is that a fish? A full-on fish in the fridge? That's kind of funny. What's that?
Welcome back, guests. We hope your stay is comfortable. Please contact the facility manager if you require.
If it means anything? I'm not hearing anything right now. Okay, never mind. I heard something behind me. Always gotta block when you're entering these rooms. You never know. You never know when something might. Oh wow. Outstanding. Doc, calm down. Nothing will happen. Puffton lives. Oh, Puffton lives in a fantasy land. The countdown is a fairy tale. Okay. How much damage does this do compared to my other weapons? I gotta put my finger up to my screen just to figure it out. Okay, it does a little less than the katana, but it's a lot faster. I mean, it does a little less than my axe, but it's a lot faster in attacking, I think. We'll test that out in a second. Let's eat some food. It's always good to be topped up on food. Eating raw ramen noodles. Let's start drinking boiling water at that point. We're good on energy, so we'll just drink normal water. Yeah, I can take 2 sips. Oh yeah, it is pretty fast. We'll probably upgrade that when we get home. I'm hearing pitter patters on my left over there. Whoa. Okay, let's not go down there just yet. Matter of fact, let's start flaring there. Okay, just don't go where it's... Okay, I fucked up. I got scammed. I literally got scammed. That's so unfair. You guys saw where that trajectory is supposed to go. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're lying. I missed. But nah, you guys saw where that trajectory was going. That is so unfair. That is so unfair. So we're down 3. 1, 2, 3. That is so unfair. I threw it. The trajectory said it was going to that room and it just hit the wall. That's so unfair. Costed me some armor. Ugh. Whatever. More batteries. Found some old fishing villages. Lots of bodies. Oh, we saw that one near the pond. Batteries. What's that? Spacesuit? luxury bunker. Gore, not sure who these guys are supposed to be. We found 8 of them dead. Found 8 of them in cave D7. Spacesuit. I got a spacesuit. Does that mean we're done with the bunker? Okay. Outstanding. I'm worried about Jian Yu. If anything happens to me, send word to Jack Holt. He wrote a book about me once. He's pressed, but I trust him. He can uncover what happened here and make sure my daughter is safe. Satellite uncover what happened here? Outstanding. A bunch of crazies arrived by boat and seem to think killing themselves on the island will send them to the promised land. Do we have insurance for this? Ugh. I hate these things. Did I kill it? That's not. A rock. A rock. I love rocks. Where are we going? This looks so sketchy. Oh. I can't read any of that. Yeah, this is all scribbles. These are the cultists. Gold mask. Outstanding. Crunchy one cheese. Ooh, camcorder. Can I wear this? I can. Cultist one. They found dolphins, it looked like, or whales, starfish. Oh. You can see the stick glowing in the background. That's hilarious. That's interesting, I guess. What's in here? With all the other bodies, yeah. Possible, let's save here, because that little doorway with a key card does not ever spell something good is happening next. So let's save here in case of whatever behind that key card. Because the last time we opened the door, we got jumped by like 15 mutants. If you remember when we had to ruin that dinner party or whatever that thing was. So yeah, we're doing this. Let's have the shotgun out just in case. Oh. Oh. Okay. Jeez, I hate that damn sound. Oh, that's not good. What time is it? 5 is about to be morning. That's good. Oh. It's always good when it's gonna be morning. But it's still darkness outside. Where's our house? Oh, I never destroyed a thing. Oh no. We should go to the VIP thing up there, the luxury bunker. I think that's what we should do next, yeah. Screw it. Where's the go-karts? There we go. Might as well. Let's continue on with our mission. So residential bunker didn't really net us too many cool things. But we will be heading towards the VIP bunker apparently, or luxury bunker as they called it. Ouch. Yeah, is there a way to check how far I am along? I don't think so, right? Uh-oh. Dang it. It's okay, it's okay. That little bunker wasn't too bad, I'll say. Nothing too extreme really happened there. It was pretty calm if I say so. Can't really complain, we didn't get hurt too much. Let's get to the beach. The second we get to the beach, it's gonna be a lot easier for us to move around safely. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, no one's here. That's good. That's good. Means we just coax on by. No issue, right? Right, yeah. You guys are just sleeping, I think. I don't know if I saw that correctly. I might have not have. Oh. Oh no. Go, 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 go. Push, 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 push. Whatever. Oh, you're kidding me. I hear them coming. Come on. Look left, look left, look left. Okay, okay, okay. Good, 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 good. That's good. Oh, snap. We're close to the VIP bunker. Might as well just check that orange flare we see over here. It's near the beach anyways. Ouch. Oh, snap. Ran a doodle. Uh-oh. That's no good. Yep. Looks like we're on foot from here. I'm not risking that. This looks like the thing. Doesn't seem immediately dangerous, which is a good sign. I'm not getting immediately blown up by monsters. So that's a win in my book. These dudes got... Oh, I thought they got hung. Never mind. Remember to answer? There it is. Duct tape. Gotta love duct tape. Okay, it's the second battery pack we found here, so I might as well recharge my flashlight while we're here. Combine. Flashlight. Anything? Sulfalite. I don't need sulfalite, I really don't. I have a ton of sulfalite to use. Yep. Alright, let's continue on then. To the VIP bunker. Let's stay by the water, because water is safety. Ooh, that's no good. Maybe water is not safety. Water is very high chance of death now, apparently. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's the dock. Right, that means there's gonna be nothing here for me to take. Because we took all the golf carts. Oh, that means we're gonna walk home? That's gonna be a rough walk. It's alright though, I guess. Ooh, rope. Oh, can't take any more rope. I should have known. Yeah, because as far as I know, there's no more golf carts for me to take home on this side, so we're kind of toast in that aspect. Means it's a long way home. A long way home. Actually, how many more pieces do we need to our artifact? 5 out of 7. Okay. Battery, we don't need a battery. Interesting. Whatever. VIP bunker is somewhere here then. Oh wow, I can't believe I missed this. This has always been here? Ah, I could save it. Perfect. Let's do this. Into the bunkers. Bunker rating. Let's do this. Nothing up here. Why is it so dark? I really don't want to have to use that here. It's too quiet. That's an issue. I can see why it's quiet. Okay. Oh, I already hear something. I already hear footsteps. Oh, snap. Okay, good. Okay. Like a weird droning. Guess I can't knock that over. Ugh. This is no good. What is this? Just dirt? Let's check over here. Looks somewhat safe back here, I think. Ugh. That does not look enticing. Okay. yourself up in the daughter's room. Blow yourself up right there, Yvonne. Or Ivan. Last will and testament of Edward Puffton. Preliminary declarations, prior wills and codicils? I don't even know. I revoke all prior wills and codicils. Marital status, I am married to Barbarian, doesn't say barbarian. Barbara Puffton, my spouse. Current children, I have the following living child, Virginia Puffton. The term child or children as used in this will only includes the above listed children and does not include any other children of mine that are subsequently born or legally adopted. Executor. Definition. The term executor in this will is synonymous with and includes the terms personal representative and executrix. Executrix? I don't know. Appointment. I appoint as the sole executor of this will. No bond or other security of any kind will be required of any executor appointed in this will. Disposition of estate. Specific requests. Bequests? I think that's a B. To receive a specific bequest under this will, a beneficiary must survive me for 30 days, and my fingers covering the rights to pass. A beneficiary will return to my estate to be included in the residue of my estate. All property given under blah 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 encumbrance or liens attached to the property. My specific bequests are as followed. I leave to Virginia Puffton, if they shall survive me, for their own absolutely my entire estate of. Oh, I'm horrible with numbers. That's 100. That's 1,000. That's 100,000. That's a million. 7,094,100,000. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm sorry. I'm horrible with numbers. What's that? Is that an arm? Oh, I could save here. I'm gonna sleep with the arm. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm horrible with numbers. Like, that's like my biggest weakness. Just saying big numbers, I was like, I can't do that, I'm sorry. Don't follow us. Outstanding, and here I am following whoever. Through here to the Gold City. The gold will heal us all. An outstanding map. A lot of gold stuff. A lot of gold stuff. I'm hearing a growling. Oh my goodness. Oh, they just hung themselves there, okay. Cleavers. Action cam. Estate agent.
光线充足，距离其他客人非常近，但都是高净值的个体。有氧运动，一切都能让你在这里生活的同时保持健康，就像一个小城市。哦，有台球桌、游戏、大屏幕。这里我们有传统风格的浴缸，还有，不要，快走，快走！
What? Okay, I'm getting a low droning / growling sound again. Oh, this is where they exploded. That makes sense. I guess that's where we must go. Right? Oh. Whoa. Teamster.
There's got to be a way to open this. A key. Something.
A key card. Blueprint. Uh-oh. Oh, snap.
No, we're missing something.
Just stripped down naked, cheeks down, everything. How do I unequip this gold armor then? I guess it has to do with something of me having to do whatever I did with this blueprint I just got. So I'm not even ready. I gotta go back out then? Ugh. Oh, your fingers. Disgusting. Ugh. So I gotta go home. Alright then, I guess that's gonna be that episode for today then. I'll let outside and then we'll end it off there. So let's recap of everything we did today. We, what's it called? We took down the was it residential bunker? Nothing too much happened in there, just a lot of fighting. We saw Jian Yu again. Saw a big blob monster. I think it's this way. Yeah. This big blob monster wasn't too bad. We didn't really fight it though. Is this others? And I'm not sure what else to really say other than that. It wasn't too bad of a fight. It was okay. It's pretty calm, I'd say, so. See, in next episode, I'll probably, when we start off next episode, it'll probably be, what's it called? When we're on our way, well, when we're at home, that's for sure, because I'm not going to make you guys go through the act of me having to get all the way home. So our next episode for sure is going to be starting off at home. We're going to make whatever this blueprint we just got is. I really don't know what this blueprint is. This. Need batteries. We have batteries, thankfully, but still. So yeah, we're going to be doing that when we get home. What time is it? We could get home in that time. So, let me save here and then I'll end it off. So, I'll see you guys next time on episode, what would it, I don't even know what episode it'd be, 16 I think? Because I think that's, yeah, this is 15, I'm pretty sure. So next episode will be 16. And from the way it looks, it seems like that might be the final episode. But I'm not sure exactly, so we'll see when it happens. So in that case, later dudes.